Good morning, Year 5 and Year 6. It's that time of the week again. It's Monday morning with Maths with Mrs. Court. So, this week we're going to be thinking about properties of shape, and in particular we're thinking about angles and position. So, here is my question for you today. I have an isosceles triangle which is sat on a line. Pause the video and remind yourself and tell your grown-up about what we know about an isosceles triangle. That's right. Two sides are the same, which is why I've drawn little arcs on here to mark off that these two lines are the same length. So, if these two lines are the same length, then we know that B is the same as C. The angles in the bottom of an isosceles triangle, this is not drawn to scale, these two are the same. Okay. My question to you today, guys, is what is the value of A, B and C? Pause the video and see if you can work out, use any clues, see if you can see how we might tackle this problem. Okay, my first thing that I have noticed is that these angles are on a straight line. And in Year 5, we know that angles on a straight line add up to something. Can you remember what it is? That's right. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So, two or more angles, doesn't matter, but in this case, these two angles are going to add up to 180 degrees. Pause the video and tell me, or tell your grown-up, what angle C must equal then. That's right, you could have done it as a subtract, or you could have used your number bonds. I'm going to do the shorthand subtract methods. So we've got 10 take away 5, which is 5, 7 take away 1, which is 6, and 1 take away 1, which is 0. 65 plus 115 does in fact equal 180. So angle C equals 65 degrees. And you can check this, you can see that that's an acute angle. You can see that that is smaller than 90. Okay, at the beginning, we decided that B plus C is, B and C are equal. Therefore, we know that B equals 65 degrees also. Okay, how much do all the angles in a triangle add up to? Angles in a triangle add up to what? Pause the video and tell your grown-up. That's right. The angles in a triangle add up to 180. So A plus B plus C is going to equal 180. Oh, excuse me, jogging myself. So B plus C, 65 plus 65, we know is 130. So we have 130 plus something equals 180. What must A equal, guys? That's right, we're going to take away 130, so we're going to be left with 50 degrees. Angle A equals 50 degrees. Well done if you got that right at the beginning. My extension problem for you guys is this. One angle in an isosceles triangle is 29 degrees. What are the other two angles? Can you find both possible answers? So there should be two different answers. So one of the angles we know is 29. So say we call in A is 29, what is B and C? Or if C is 29, what would A and B equal? Why not have a go and post your answers onto Twitter? Show us how clever you are. Don't forget this week, the TT Rockstars Challenge is teachers versus pupils. And at the moment, adults are winning. Teachers are beating the children. So all log on to TT Rockstars and show us how fab you are at your times tables. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you soon.